Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the Elizabeth stitch, also known as the mini bean stitch, which is just so cute. I literally can't get over it. This is a really fun stitch. It's so fluffy and it adds really nice weight without being too much of a yarn eater like a puff stitch or a bubble stitch. So I'm really excited to show this one to you guys today. Let's hop to it. To begin our Elizabeth stitch or mini bean stitch, you want to chain a multiple of 2 plus 4. These last 3 chains are not going to really count into our final stitch count, so keep that in mind. We're going to turn our chain over and work into the bumps. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to work into the 4th chain from the hook. Insert your hook into that chain. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same chain. Yarn over and pull through. So you should end up with 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 of those loops. And there's our first bean. And then chain 1. And that's it. We're just going to repeat those 2 all the way to the end. You're going to skip this next stitch because of our chain and work another bean into the following stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, and pull through once again with 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4. And then chain. Skip the next chain because of the chain that we just did. And let's go into the following chain and do this again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, and pull through. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4 of those loops. And then chain. And you'll do that same pattern all the way to the end, ending with a bean. And there are beans. To finish this row, you are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then turn. Look at those beans. Look how cute they are. I'm sorry, I really can't get over it. For the following row, you are going to skip this bean and put a bean under this chain. So you're going to insert your hook underneath that chain, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook underneath that chain, yarn over, pull through. So you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4. And then chain. So you'll do this again, exactly the same way that we did that first row. You'll just do it on this next row. When you reach that last bean, you're actually going to do 1 more bean right here. This is that chain 4, that additional chain 4 that we did. You're going to put 1 last bean into this to finish off the second row. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook back into that chain, yarn over, pull through. So we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4 of those loops. And then chain 3. Just like we did in that previous row. Then you will turn and you'll do it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoy this mini bean stitch. If you really did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!